Welcome to our CSB Homes process video, where we'll be going through the various stages of our processes that enable us to build a high quality home for you. Your journey starts with an initial consultation with our sales staff. It's at this meeting that we'll collaboratively discuss your new home build, what your inclusions are, what your design is going to look like, and what you're looking for ultimately in your new home. We use this meeting as a medium for healthy discussion about what your budget calls for, what your dream home was going to look like, and what you can do on your block. This meeting also allows us to conduct a preliminary desktop review of your site, which will allow us to review the site costs, the site access, and any other legislative requirements which may impact your new home build. Step 2 is preliminary design development. Once you are happy with the building estimate that we have provided, we are able to continue to progress your home design. This could include you taking one of our standard designs and making some minor amendments, such as moving a door or a window, or alternatively, allowing us to create a fully custom design for you, where you will work with our designer to develop your new home design. If you already have a block of land or are looking to do a knockdown rebuild, it is also at this time that we will complete an obligation-free site inspection, where a member of our family will inspect the block to finalise details such as site costs, access limitations, and the availability of services, which will form part of your formal building proposal. Step 3 is the quotation tender and preliminary agreement. Once your design is finalised and we have ascertained your inclusions and requirements that you're after for your new home build, we will present to you a formal quotation tender for your review and acceptance. This tender will detail the inclusions that we're allowing for, will include your custom design or standard design that you have ultimately selected, which will be cited on your block for your record. Once a quotation tender is accepted and signed, it will enable us to complete the remainder of the preliminary agreement documents, which will enable us to commence working on your new home build. Step 4 is design finalisation. At this stage, we encourage you to review your plan once more to make sure that you are happy with all elements of the design. There may have been things that you have missed from the quotation tender, or things that you have subsequently thought about that you would like to change before finalising your home design. This is important as it provides you with the peace of mind in knowing that you are able to make changes even after the quotation tender has been signed and finalised. Step 5 is external colour selections and the approvals process. Once your design has been finalised and signed off, you will be invited into our colour studio to complete your external colour selections. It is also at this time that you will be able to finalise your facade and make any other structural upgrades that are required prior to obtaining approval. Once the elements from the external colour selection have been finalised, we will then be in a position to prepare your job for council or CDC approval. This will involve us preparing architectural drawings, engineering drawings, and basic certificates, as well as any other reports that are required to obtain approval for your new home build.
Step 6, welcome to construction. Now that you've obtained approval, we can commence site works. This generally involves establishing the site with fencing, sediment control, in preparation for the concreter to attend. Once concreting works are completed, preparations and site re-establishment will be undertaken in preparation for the frame delivery to arrive on site. Once frames and trusses are completed on site, preparations will be made for the commencement for the bricklayer. Around the same time internally, this phase of works includes our in-house carpenter carrying out frame straightening and certain detailing that we take pride in to ensure that once the internal lining phases are installed, your walls and ceilings will be straight and something that you can be proud of. With internal linings completed, the fix-out generally takes place. That'll include hanging of doors, installation of skirting. This will be followed by painting, tiling, and installation of kitchen cabinetry and vanities as well. Plumbing finish off, shower screens, and other fixtures will also be installed around this time. Once the house is significantly completed, we commence our quality assurance process. This is carried out by CSB Home staff who are specially trained in detailing your home pre-handover. Step 7, handover and maintenance. On approach to completion, you'll be carrying out a final inspection. This is an opportunity to inspect the home to check builder's workmanship, inclusions, and any variations. During the final inspection, you will see the quality of the workmanship that CSB Homes has carried out throughout the process. After the final inspection, you'll proceed to handover. This is where you'll receive your keys for your brand new home. As part of the CSB Homes family approach, a member of our team will be there to guide and assist you through your maintenance period. This is our build process here at CSB Homes. Should you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out.